Perfect. How am I supposed to focus with you talking in the background? See this? I'm trying to do an intro on this guy over here. Anyways, so I'm at Kyle Mainville's place. We're going for a ride here up north Saskatchewan tomorrow. So we are doing a SLG pipe install and a Power Vision 3 tuner on my wife's Renegade.
It's in the shape of a smile.
Ooh, that's so nice. That's so nice.
I like his badging quite a bit.
Yeah, I asked for it completely flat black and then this gloss.
Yeah, it's killer. Really nice.
Yeah, so it kind of blends in, but that little piece pops. So, and then I have his these support brackets too, and you can literally stand on these fenders. Well, obviously not right at the back here, but where it's supported, and you won't have broken fenders. And when something lifts up from underneath, it's not attached there, so it has some wiggle, so you won't be replacing those rear fenders as often. Wife's wrap is all finished up. Well, not finished up, it still needs a few things, but I think we're going to change it up after FRCC. This was just like to get it looking a little different, so
Sharpen it up, make it unique.
Exactly. So Kyle is going to help me install the pipe on the bike.
We were having a look at it, and I come from an Outlander. I never actually worked on a Renegade. And ultimately, there's a lot of similarities between the two frames and power plants and stuff like that. But the way they do the Renegade rear bumper, there's a few things that are in the way, so we're going to rip and tear into that.
All right, I'm going to hop on the wife's Renegade and going to do a quick sound test with a completely stock pipe, and Kyle has a decibel meter, so that'll be fantastic.
We're just going to pull it away from anything that it can reflect off of, like the garage or house.
Yeah, we'll just pull it
into the driveway.
Yeah, perfect. I got my safety flip-flops on. This is all in sport mode too, so actually, sorry, the revs weren't in sport mode, but I don't think that's going to affect anything. Slightly over 50. It's so hard to do the speed limit in a machine like this. It's pretty intense. That was 52, okay? Yeah, that one little blip I did there, and I looked down, it's 52. It's like
Doesn't take much.
put it in eco mode.
Alright, now it's hot, so we can go ripping and tearing.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Alright,
Let's see, what do we got for engine temp? Perfect. 79, basically 80 degrees Celsius. Perfect time to work on an exhaust.
yeah, the exhaust is way hotter than that. Do you know how hot those stock exhausts can get?
I can imagine well over 100.
I'm pretty sure when I measured my Outlander before I tuned it, the beginning of the head pipe got to like 300 degrees Celsius. Yeah.
It's amazing these things don't melt down to the ground.
I dropped 100 degrees Celsius roughly when I tuned my machine with a free flow pipe.
And that's about to happen with that.
Good luck.
Okay, bye. Hey, you promised a white van with candy inside of it. Where is that?
I did?
Yeah, you did.
I did? Oh, I'm sure it's fine. Here you're going to see some frame to bumper. So the nuts on the other side are welded. Those are T40s. You're going to have a plethora of 13 mils. There's 6 in total. 2 to the frame to the bumper, and then 1 on each side.
Master is doing his thing over there, being all professional and making money. And then there's me, some Joe Schmo schmuck.
That all comes out. So at this point, you basically have the bumper out of the way, and then
Except, oh, I thought, yeah,
hey, good joke.
yeah, that was funny.
Complaint. This is your chance to do it without any exhaust, by the way.
That's gonna sound nasty. All right.
I did it.
Might as well. Straight piped. Literally. Well, basically an SLG is almost a straight pipe, but this one's
we should probably get a cell phone of this first.
a cell phone?
Yeah. Give me a second.
Yep, absolutely.
So have this off. It's always like a thing that I do, and I'm sure a lot of people do.
I've done it with my Maverick, my OG Mav.
We definitely have to straight pipe run it for a quick second.
Yep.
Don't do it too long because it's going to be running super lean, but
Just a little fire up.
do it.
All right, here we go.
Wait. Go. Straight pipe is so loud.
It's too loud. Well, that's basically what we're doing, so.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Oh, sorry, this is 780 Alex. Oh, this is his channel. Okay. Hi. He's going to show us his 22 Renegade 1000 XMR with that SLG and PV3 tuner.
PV3 tuner. And wife's Renegade.
Wife's Renegade. Yeah. Sure, man.
It
well,
is.
I mean,
It's pink.
your personality's all over it too, to be fair. Woo! That sounds good. Subscribe. Do it. So good, dude. It's got a really nice snap. We measured it. I don't think it would go much over 95 decibels or so. Maybe at full RPM, like it under load, it might hit 100, but it's technically not loud, but boy, does it sound good. Ow! Oh man. The things I do for buddies.
Oh, it sounds good.
It does, man.
Yeah, I like it. I think my wife's gonna like it. It may be a touch loud, but she doesn't care. All she cares about is hitting the mud hole full send. So
You just gotta get 32-inch assassinators, right? That's like the Renegade thing to do.
that's yeah. Assassinators, tune, pipe, and you're good to go.
You're good to
and
go,
maybe
yeah.
some punching.
Yeah. it's just the degenerate package. You know,
It absolutely is.
Yeah.
This is just the start, and you add an obnoxious wrap, and you get have like the pit vipers.
Oh yeah,
like you're
100%.
you're meant.
You need a mullet too, though.
I didn't grow one in time. I'm sorry.
Nice, dude. It looks good. Make sure you leave them some love. Leave a like, leave a subscribe, a comment. Help the little guys out. 780 Alex is a good guy.
The neighbors are all like, are they done already?
Dude, I do this like every other day. They're all good.